Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and welcome back to 30 Days of Begonia. Today I have two Jurassic begonias. Once again, they are Rex Jurassic Begonia, and the first one is called Red Splash, and this is the Red Splash, and you can see that the leaves have very small splashes on them. When they're mature, beautiful dark veining. The backs of the leaves are pretty much the same, but the veining just comes through a little bit better. And this is a very fast growing begonia. You can see back here there are tons of babies, and I will probably end up separating this one and sharing it at the end of this season, because I think it may be a little bit too big for my space. But I really do love this one. It is very easygoing, and it lives in my garden outside, and when it comes inside it's going to be in my bathroom, because this is a plant that definitely likes a lot of moisture. There are little hairs on it, and I am finding that the little hairs are telling me that they want to have a little bit more moisture in their life. So this one right here will live in my bathroom, so I will definitely have to reduce the size of it so that I can keep it for next year for outside. So, did I mention that this is day 11? Can you imagine? Thank you so much for joining me, guys. This has been so much fun. I thought this was going to be super hard, and it has been challenging, but it has been so much fun just talking to you guys about the begonia you love, or the begonias you've lost. Because we've all lost some of them, right? Okay, my next begonia, I had to double up so that I can share most of my begonia in this time. In the 30 days. This is my begonia Snowfall. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness. This looks like a bouquet in my opinion. And then because she has so many flowers just about to let loose and bloom, she's so beautiful. The backs of her leaves are very red and veiny. She's absolutely beautiful and extremely easy. Just like the red spot, that one right there, they just like to have a lot of moisture, and they will just thrive. And these are shade loving plants. They do not need a lot of sunlight, so they'll be easy for me to keep them inside as long as I give them enough moisture and keep the air nice and hydrated for them. They'll continue to put out their beautiful leaves. But I will end up separating this one as well, because it'll be much too big to bring inside with all the rest of my begonia, unless I leave it in my greenhouse. But I am thinking to bring all of my Rex begonia inside. So we'll see how that goes by the end of the season, or maybe I'll separate them and bring one inside and one outside. Maybe that's the plan. But this, I think there'll still be enough to share. I definitely want to share some of it. So again, this is my Red Splash from the Jurassic collection, and this is my Snowfall from the Jurassic collection. Both beautiful, both easygoing, both Rex begonias. Thank you so much for joining me again, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.